Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am David. Imagine tapping into Reddit conversations where buyers are already asking for solutions like yours and turning those discussions into sales on autopilot without any manual work. Today, I am super excited to bring you my full review of RedMator. Before we jump into it, make sure you check the link in the description box right now. There you will find my complete written review article. It includes all the details on the one-time offers, the special discount offers available today, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my exclusive bonuses that cover different aspects of digital marketing. These bonuses are designed to help you boost your results even further with RedMator. So, what exactly is RedMator? RedMator is the world's first AI-powered Reddit marketing app. It puts you inside the exact Reddit threads that Google, ChatGPT, and other AI answer engines are already sending your potential buyers to. RedMator finds those buyer-ready Reddit conversations for you, starts the conversations on your behalf, and turns each thread into a steady stream of customers on complete autopilot. And the best part, it all happens in just 3 easy steps. This tool works amazingly well even if you have never used Reddit before, even if you do not have any followers on the platform, and even if you have zero Reddit karma. In the next part of this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how RedMator works, the key features inside, who it is perfect for, and my honest thoughts after testing it out. So stay tuned and let us get started. Now let me show you what RedMator can actually do to help you get more traffic and sales from Reddit. First, the AI Opportunity Finder is incredibly powerful. It scans Reddit around the clock and discovers high-intent conversations where people are actively looking for solutions like yours. It even finds threads that are already ranking on Google and being used by AI engines like ChatGPT, so you can get in front of buyers at the perfect moment when they are researching and ready to buy. Second, the buyer intent engine works smartly in the background. It analyzes conversations, spots strong buying signals, and even tracks competitor complaints. So you only focus on the threads that are most likely to bring real clicks, leads, and sales. Third, the AI reply generator helps you respond quickly and effectively. You can train it with your own website data and brand voice, so it creates natural, helpful replies that sound completely human and never spammy. Fourth, the automated DM outreach feature takes things further. Once a conversation starts, it can send personalized, direct messages to interested users, smoothly moving them from public comments into private chats where you can share your offer, book calls, or close sales. And fifth, everything runs smoothly with built-in campaign tools, analytics, and a clean dashboard. You can create, schedule, and manage complete Reddit campaigns on autopilot while tracking your replies, clicks, and conversions in one place. On top of all that, RedMator also offers many other useful features such as email marketing integrations, a built-in lead CRM, daily fresh opportunity updates, competitor radar monitoring, smart relevance scoring, official Reddit safety integration, and even a commercial license so you can offer services to clients. Next, I am going to walk you through the full demo right now so you can see exactly how RedMator works in action from start to finish.
RedMator is all-in-one Reddit lead generation and marketing automation platform that allows you to generate flood of traffic, leads, and sales on Reddit without spending a dime on ads. RedMator simply discovers high-intent conversations. Using AI, it helps you engage with smart replies, run post campaigns, build opt-in pages, and track everything inside a lead CRM. All from a single web dashboard. No Chrome extension, no browser tricks. Everything runs through Reddit's official API, which means every action stays within Reddit's approved limits and your account remains safe. So let me show you exactly how it works. The first thing you see when you log in is the dashboard. This is your home base, your daily snapshot of everything happening on Reddit in your niche. At the top of the dashboard, we have 4 cards. First, tracked posts, which shows how many posts are currently being monitored by RedMator in your project subreddits. Then engagement, showing your total upvotes and comments on tracked posts so you can quickly see how active your niche is on Reddit. Replies logged shows the number of posts you've replied to. And finally, the new 24 hours card tracks posts published within the last 24 hours. Probably the first thing you'll check every morning. Below that, we have top opportunities. These are the highest scoring Reddit posts from your feed, already ranked by AI relevance. So instead of spending hours scrolling Reddit looking for the right conversations, just open RedMator and the best opportunities are already waiting for you. More traffic, more leads, and less time wasted. Now let's talk about projects. Click on Projects on the sidebar. In RedMator, everything is organized around projects. A project is your workspace for one brand, product, or client. If you're managing Reddit growth for multiple businesses, each one gets its own project with separate keywords, subreddits, campaigns, and analytics. To create a project, click on New Project, add the company name, and paste the website URL. Once RedMator verifies the website, click on Analyze My Brand. This automatically reviews the website, understands what the business does, and generates relevant keywords and subreddits to monitor. No manual research, no guesswork. Just paste the URL and your Reddit radar is built instantly. And this matters because better keywords mean better conversations, better targeting, and higher quality leads. Great, we already have a project created. Now let's move to project settings. Here we have the general, competitors, keywords, notifications, and Reddit tabs. Starting with the Keywords tab, on the left we have suggested keywords, and on the right we have custom keywords. These are the terms RedMator monitors across Reddit every day. The more specific your keywords are, the more relevant your opportunities become. Next is competitors. Paste any competitor website URL, and RedMator automatically tracks Reddit mentions connected to that company. For example, we already have 2 competitors here fetched automatically, along with related keywords. So anytime someone mentions these companies on Reddit, I'll know about it. This becomes a direct source of people already searching for alternatives. Now let's head over to the Reddit tab. This is where you connect your Reddit account. This account is already connected. With one click, RedMator opens a secure Reddit OAuth flow. Once approved, RedMator can post, reply, and manage DMs on your behalf. Now let's move on to the Content Creation Hub. Click on Create Post Campaign. This is where you build your outbound Reddit strategy, creating posts that drive traffic back to your offer and capture leads automatically. The Campaign Builder has 2 columns, Campaign Details on the left and Automation Settings on the right. Let's fill in the campaign details. First, input the campaign name and make it descriptive. Under Target Niche, the AI automatically suggests niches based on your project keywords, so simply select the most relevant ones. Next is AI Content Agent. Here you choose which AI agent writes your posts and DMs. By default, it uses RedMator's built-in AI, but if you've trained a custom AI agent using your own content, you can select it here. That way your posts sound like your brand instead of generic AI. We'll cover this more inside AI Train Agent. For now, I'll select this custom agent I created earlier. Next is the free guide title. This is your lead magnet, something valuable you're offering in exchange for an email signup. Then we have Target Audience, which defines exactly who you want to reach on Reddit. Click on Suggest, and the AI automatically gives audience suggestions. Next is Opt-in Pages. This is where you connect your opt-in page to the campaign. So when someone comments on your Reddit post, they automatically receive a DM. Right now, we have None selected, and this is the current DM template. But once we connect an opt-in page, the DM content updates automatically with the correct link and message. Now let's move to Automation Settings. Select the number of posts you want to generate under Post to Generate. Under Sharing, you can either share posts automatically or manually. Next is DM Template. This message automatically gets sent to users who comment on your post. And remember, you can disable this anytime from your opt-in page settings. So when someone comments on your post, they instantly receive a DM with your free guide link. Once they sign up, they're added directly to your email list. This creates a complete lead generation funnel inside RedMator. We also have a feature called Enable Smart DM Variation. This allows you to create multiple DM variations, and the software rotates them automatically, so messages feel more natural and avoid spam patterns. Now let's look at My Campaigns. Click on My Campaigns on the sidebar. This is your campaign library. Here we can see a campaign we recently created. Every campaign displays 3 key numbers: published, post currently live on Reddit, generated, AI drafts ready for review, and DM sent, outreach already in progress. Let's check out the drafts. Click on Generated Draft. This campaign has already generated 3 posts ready for review. Simply click Full to review the content, then click Edit Post if you want to make changes. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Each campaign also includes 4 action buttons. DM Outreach shows everyone who commented on your post so you can follow up with them. Generated Draft contains your AI-generated posts ready for publishing. Analytics gives campaign performance data. And finally, Manual Post allows you to create and then publish your own post directly to Reddit. Now let's create a manual post. Click on Manual Post. First, select your AI content agent, which is optional. Then move to Offer Template Tone. Here you choose the tone of the post. We'll use Balanced Discussion, which makes the content sound like a real Reddit conversation instead of sounding promotional or AI generated. And that's important because Reddit users quickly ignore content that feels overly promotional. Next is Target Community. You can manually enter a subreddit or click on Suggested Subreddits. RedMator automatically recommends the best communities for your campaign. Great. Now we have 10 subreddit suggestions. Simply select the most relevant ones. Next is Post Type. Add your post title and post body, or simply let AI generate them for you directly inside RedMator. Once generated, you can also click on Humanize for Reddit. This rewrites the content to sound more natural and authentic. With one click, your post sounds more like a real Reddit user instead of generic AI. Better authenticity means better engagement, more replies, and more traffic. Once your post is ready, click Schedule Post or Post Now. Now let's train an AI agent. Click on AI Train Agent on the sidebar. By default, RedMator uses its own AI to write posts and replies. But with AI Train Agent, you can train a custom AI using your own content. That way, every post sounds more like your brand and less like generic AI. Start by adding the agent name, then select the platform. Next, under Description, describe the tone and writing style you want the AI to follow. Then under Training URLs, add your training URLs or simply click on Suggest, and RedMator will recommend URLs based on your niche. Once your AI agent is created, you can use it in any campaign, just like we did earlier. This keeps your brand voice consistent across posts, replies, and DMs. More authentic content usually means better engagement and stronger lead quality. Now let's explore opt-in pages. Click on Opt-in pages on the sidebar. This is where Reddit traffic becomes an email list. RedMator builds and hosts your lead capture pages for you, so there's no need for an external landing page builder. Click on Create Opt-in Page. Here you get 4 designs: Modern, Classic, Neon, and Cosmic. Simply choose the design that fits your brand best. Then fill in the page details like the page name, URL slug, headline, description, and the rest of the information. Next, move to Integrations. Set up your privacy policy URL, then choose your email provider. That way, every email captured on your opt-in page automatically goes into your email list. This creates a full lead generation system directly inside RedMator. I already created one earlier, so let me show you how it looks. Here's a preview of the opt-in page. So while creating a campaign or sending a DM, you can simply include this page URL in the message, so users can access the page immediately. Now let's talk about inbound sections. Click on New Opportunities. This is where RedMator finds people already searching for what you offer. Every day, RedMator syncs posts from your selected subreddits and scores each one based on relevance. So instead of spending hours searching Reddit manually, the best opportunities are already organized for you here. Each post shows a relevance score, and an AI insight summary explaining what the user needs and how it connects to your product. Now let's go to Strong. The Strong filter is your shortlist of high-intent posts. So if you only have a few minutes, you can simply open Strong, engage with the best opportunities, and move on. Click on any post and you'll see the full AI insight. Then under Reddit Draft, you can either generate your own response or click on Auto Write and let AI create the reply for you. You can review it, edit it, and then click on Post Reply. Every relevant conversation you engage with becomes a potential source of traffic, leads, or sales. And once you reply to a post, it automatically moves into Replied, keeping your workflow clean and organized. One more important feature here is Send DM. Click on Send DM. You can either send a DM directly to the author using Send Post Author DM, or send DMs to commenters in that specific thread using Send Comment DM. Let's click on Send Comment DM. Once opened, it loads the DM queue for that Reddit thread. Here you can see every user who commented on the thread. And for each commenter, you can see their original comment in full, helping you understand exactly what they need as a potential lead. Each commenter already has a DM template prepared automatically. You can review the message, edit it, and click Approve. Or simply click Approve All Pending to send all generated messages at once. Now, if you want to automate this process completely, go back to New Opportunities and click on Auto Conversation at the top of the page. Here we have two sections, Auto Reply and Auto DM. Toggle custom comments on, and RedMator automatically posts replies on highly relevant threads for you. We also set daily reply and DM limits to help keep your account safe and within Reddit's activity limits. In this example, we have 10 replies and 10 DMs per day. You can also rotate comment variations. Click on Comments, and here you'll see comment previews that you can edit. You can even add up to 5 different comment variations. The AI rotates these automatically, so replies continue to feel natural and authentic. The same applies to auto DMs as well. Or if you prefer, simply enable auto reply or auto DM, and RedMator generates everything automatically for you. That means smart replies and targeted DMs running every single day while you focus on your business. And because everything runs through Reddit's official API, all activity limits are respected automatically and your account stays safe. Now let's head over to Post Scraper plus DM. Click on Post Scraper plus DM on the sidebar. This feature takes a completely different approach to finding leads. Instead of only monitoring subreddit activity, it finds Reddit threads that are already ranking on the first page of Google for your keywords. Think about what that means. When someone searches your keyword on Google and a Reddit thread appears on page 1, the thread is already getting clicks from people actively searching for solutions. So RedMator shows you exactly which threads those are every single day. The High Intent tab shows highly relevant threads connected to your keywords. Then the Competitor Keywords tab shows Reddit threads ranking on Google for your competitors' names. That gives you direct access to people already evaluating alternatives in your market. We also have Auto Conversation here, which works the same way as the automation system inside New Opportunities. Next, let's move to Leads Finder and Replier. This is your brand monitoring dashboard. Anytime someone mentions your product, your brand, or even your competitors anywhere on Reddit, it appears here automatically. Every mention is tagged with a sentiment label, positive, negative, or neutral. You also have direct mentions. For example, if we open this post, you'll see the star builds mention highlighted automatically. You can also check Google Ranked to see how much visibility a particular mention is getting. If a negative thread about your brand is ranking on page 1 of Google, that becomes something you need to respond to quickly. RedMator puts that information directly in front of you. And again, the auto conversation feature is available here too, so even your brand monitoring replies can run automatically. Next is AI SEO. This is one of the most forward-thinking features inside the platform. When someone asks ChatGPT a question like, "What is the best product in this category?" does your brand appear in the answer? Most businesses have no idea, and this feature helps you monitor that visibility. It works in 3 steps. First, generate prompts based on your keywords. As you can see here, RedMator automatically generates multiple prompts from your project keywords. Then it gives you a preview of how AI assistants like ChatGPT respond to those prompts and whether your brand appears in the responses or not. So when your brand name, like we have here with Star Builds, is highlighted in orange, it means your brand is already being referenced in those AI-generated discussions. If your brand doesn't appear, then your visibility in AI conversations is still low. From there, RedMator can help identify related Reddit discussions so you know where to engage and improve visibility. Next on the sidebar is Competitor Radar. Click on Competitor Radar. Every day, people complain about competitors on Reddit. Those conversations are warm leads because users are already frustrated and searching for alternatives. Competitor Radar automatically finds those conversations for you. Here we have different categories: complaints, frustrated users ready to switch; comparisons, users actively comparing alternatives; and feature gap, users discussing features their current product is missing. The moment new mentions appear, you receive alerts immediately. That allows you to join conversations early before competitors even realize it happened. And often, the first person to respond wins the lead. Next on the sidebar is Insights. This tells you where to focus your Reddit efforts for the best results. It gives you a ranked list of your most relevant subreddits based on your keywords and engagement data. Think of it as your priority list. Focus your engagement on the top communities and you'll get the highest traffic and lead potential for your time. You can also see recent replies displayed below the page. Now let's move over to Analytics. This is your full performance overview. You can filter by 7 days, 30 days, or 90 days. And here we have 4 key metrics: leads in period, response rate, unread live inbox, and post published. We also have a conversation activity chart showing daily lead activity over time. This helps you see exactly when your outreach performed best. Campaign performance ranks your campaigns by leads generated, including month-on-month comparisons. And recent conversations display Reddit users who responded to you along with their latest messages, so you can jump directly back into the conversation. Now let's head over to Replied. Every Reddit post you engage with gets saved here automatically. This gives you a complete history of your conversations. You'll never accidentally reply to the same post twice, and you can always come back later to continue conversations or follow up with users who engage with your content. Simple but extremely important as your Reddit activity grows. Now let's move to Lead CRM. This is where Reddit conversations become a real sales pipeline. Every person who engages with your Reddit activity, replies to your posts, responds to your DMs, or interacts with your campaigns, flows directly into your Lead CRM. Each lead has statuses like trending, DM responded, converted, and more. So you're not just monitoring Reddit anymore. You're building an actual lead pipeline from it. You can add notes, send follow-up messages, and synchronize your Reddit inbox so every conversation stays organized in one place. Think of it as a CRM built specifically for Reddit conversations. The people showing interest are already here. Your job is simply to follow up consistently and close them. Next on the sidebar, we have White Label. This feature is designed for agencies. If you're managing Reddit growth for multiple clients, White Label allows you to place your own branding across the platform. Upload your logo and favicon, customize your primary and secondary brand colors, and even connect your own custom domain. So instead of showing RedMator branding, your clients see your own business and professional dashboard experience. Next is Team and Access. This is where you manage who has access to your projects. Invite team members or clients simply by entering their email address and clicking Send Invitation. For example, if you want a client to log in and view results without making changes, you can simply add them as a viewer. Now, before we wrap up, I want to show you something important, because I could tell you the DM automation works, but I think it's much more powerful to actually show you. This is a campaign I ran 5 days ago through RedMator. I sent 10 automated DMs to highly relevant Reddit threads. And if we open my Reddit account here, you can already see the responses and leads generated from those conversations. And this is the whole point of the platform. These are not cold email responses with a 2% open rate. These are people already talking about relevant problems on Reddit. RedMator simply helps you reach them at exactly the right moment. So whether you're generating leads for your own business, managing client campaigns, or scaling Reddit outreach with automation, RedMator gives you the tools to do it from one central platform.
The front-end offer of RedMator gives you everything you need to start getting free buyer traffic and sales from Reddit right away. You get instant free laser-targeted traffic. RedMator finds high-intent Reddit threads already ranking on Google and AI engines like ChatGPT. It even lets you spy on your competitors' unhappy customers in real time and steal those buyers. Next, you have full automated engagement. The AI writes natural, human-sounding replies that pitch your offer without sounding spammy. It sends targeted DMs to hot prospects and runs everything on complete autopilot. You also get a set-and-forget campaign machine. Create and schedule campaigns easily with the built-in AI copywriter crafting posts in your own brand voice. Plus, it handles lead capture and follow-ups automatically. Build opt-in pages, track everything in a built-in CRM, and sync leads straight to your email system. And finally, the done-for-you analytics show you exactly which threads and subreddits are making you money so you can scale fast. Now, let us go through the OTO offers so you can upgrade and get even more power from RedMator. OTO 1, RedMator Unlimited Edition. This upgrade removes all restrictions and unleashes the full power of the software. You can now scale your traffic, leads, and sales without any limits. Inside, you get unlimited free Reddit traffic, infinite lead capture, autopilot engagement at scale, unlimited smart DM opportunities, AI-powered lead intelligence, Google search traffic extraction, and automated sales pipeline tracking. OTO 2, Done for You, Reddit Marketing Agency. This is a complete business in a box that lets you offer Reddit marketing services to local and online businesses and earn high monthly retainers. You do not need to do any hard selling. You receive a ready-made agency website, proven client-getting email sequences, telemarketing scripts, customizable pitch proposals with graphics, and a premium client video course with white label rights. OTO 3, AI Intelligence Engine. This super intelligence layer turns your AI into a hyper-persuasive and completely natural assistant. It removes all robotic traces and makes your replies much more effective. You get advanced AI training on your own website and content, multiple personality modes, campaign-specific voices, conversion-optimized rewriting, and human-like reply protection to keep your accounts safe. OTO 4, Opt-in Plus Funnel Builder Pro. This upgrade gives you the tools to turn your Reddit traffic into a long-term asset. You can build complete marketing funnels and capture leads on autopilot. Inside, you get unlimited opt-in pages, a powerful drag-and-drop funnel builder, and seamless integration with major email platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and ConvertKit. OTO 5, 50 done-for-you money-making campaigns. This is the ultimate shortcut to profits. You get 50 proven, copy-and-paste campaigns that are ready to go. Just drive traffic from RedMator to these high-ticket offers and start earning commissions fast. No experience needed. Everything is fully prepared, so you can focus on making sales. OTO 6, RedMator Unlimited Reseller License. This license lets you become the product owner and resell RedMator while keeping 100% of the profits. You can sell it at any price you want. You receive done-for-you high-converting sales materials, promotional copy, and sales pages. Plus, the team handles all hosting, customer support, and updates for your buyers. Now here is the best part. Do you want to grab everything at a massively discounted price? If you act now, you can get the complete RedMator bundle deal. You'll get the front-end offer, OTO 1 RedMator Unlimited Edition, OTO 2 Done for You, Reddit Marketing Agency, OTO 3 AI Intelligence Engine, OTO 4 Opt-in, plus Funnel Builder Pro, OTO 550 Done for You Money-Making Campaigns, and OTO 6 RedMator Unlimited Reseller License, all of them together in one complete package. This bundle is by far the smartest choice. You get the full unlimited traffic and engagement system, the complete AI superintelligence, powerful funnel building tools, ready-to-use campaigns, and even the agency and reseller rights to build your own business. With this all-in-one bundle, you can maximize your free buyer traffic, scale your leads and sales on autopilot, and build a real long-term Reddit marketing business. If you are serious about getting results with RedMator, the bundle offer is the way to go. Check the link in the description right now to see the full bundle price and all the special bonuses included. If you have already picked up the RedMator front-end offer, but you want all the advanced upgrades without buying them one by one, this FastPass bundle is made exactly for you. It excludes the front-end you already own and gives you all 6 powerful OTOs in one heavily discounted package. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault. A bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
And that is my complete review of RedMator. RedMator is truly a game-changing tool. It gives you the ability to find high-intent Reddit conversations, engage with buyers automatically, turn threads into steady leads and sales, and even build multiple income streams with the agency and reseller options. If you are ready to start getting free targeted traffic and sales from Reddit, I highly recommend you check the link in the description box right now. There you will find my full written review, the best discount coupons available today, the complete bundle pricing, and all my exclusive bonuses that will help you get even better results with RedMator. Do not miss out. Grab your copy today and start turning Reddit conversations into real customers. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.
This is by far the best channel to get users on your products.
Meet Roman, a guy who launched his SaaS just 6 months ago and already surpassed $30,000 MRR.
We've generated over 11 million views in just a few months.
His strategy? Reddit.
This post alone got us thousands of visitors to our website.
But Roman wasn't just posting randomly. He had a very calculated approach to finding content ideas, creating them, and then getting them on the front page. I asked Roman to come onto the channel to break down his entire Reddit system, the one that took his SaaS from $0 to now $30,000 MRR, and he broke down everything, including how to warm up your accounts properly, how to make sure your posts always get seen, and why Reddit is still the untapped channel to grow your SaaS in the early days. All right, this one is one you cannot miss. I'm Pat Walls, and this is Starter Story. All right, before we jump in, Roman is about to share his entire system for how to get seen and how to get users on Reddit. What he's done is not new. We've covered a bunch of Reddit growth stories here on this channel. So I decided to put together a playbook that you can download right now on how you can get your first 100 users on Reddit. It is the combination of many different strategies from actual founders that I've talked to onto this channel. I put it all in one place and you can download it right now. I will put the link in the description, but without further ado, let's get into the interview. All right, Roman, welcome to the channel. It is amazing to have you on. Tell me about who you are, what you built, and what's your story.
Hello everyone, my name is Roman. I'm the co-founder of Goldmine AI. We are an intent-based outreach tool. We do about 30K MRR. 4 months ago, we were doing 0 in revenue, and Reddit is an important part in our success. So I'm really excited to talk to you about that.
Okay, I'm really excited to talk about this, especially Reddit, because Reddit is one of my favorite channels, especially for early founders. This is going to be a fun one. But first, before we get into that, I want to understand, what is the business that you built? What's the business model? And then I want to walk through some of your dashboards and show off how much this business is making.
So we are a SaaS business. We have 3 types of subscription. Most of our users are on the $99 plan. So you get an unlimited amount of high intent lead, and you can connect them directly through our platform. So our users get better results than using regular outreach tools. One of our main ways to get users, or at least at the beginning, was Reddit. So we got 11 million impressions on Reddit, which is insane. If we would have paid for that, that would have cost us hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so that way we got our, let's say 100 first customers, and we are still getting customers today. So here you can see that's 24K MRR. So that's around $30K, and the growth is pretty good. So we are really happy with how it's going.
11 million impressions on Reddit is insane. We're going to dive all into exactly how you got that, what kind of posts you did and everything. But before we do, I want to understand your background. How do you get into building apps and building SaaS? How do you get to this point?
So originally I was a mechanical engineer, and a bit before COVID, I was wondering if I wanted to stay an employee. So I learned how to do affiliate marketing. I got my first success. So I made a bit of money. I got into freelancing. So in 2023, I launched my first SaaS called Coco AI. We scaled it to 50K MRR with outreach. And then we sold it to a US venture. Then when we sold this business, we looked at what made this business great. And actually it was the acquisition. So the acquisition method we had in marketing was outreach. And so that's what made us build Goldmine AI.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you for sharing that. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, can you just give me a high-level overview of how Reddit impacted your business and how it helped it grow?
So I think we cracked the Reddit distribution. We got more than 11 million impressions. and more than 40,000 visitors on our website, which is insane. But that's only the visible part, because every time we have a demo call or we talk to other leads on other platforms, almost all of them have seen us on Reddit. And so they say, oh, you are the Reddit guy. And so that helps us a lot, because the more your leads see you, the more you are likely to close them during a call.
Let's dive into an example. I want you to show me one or two actual Reddit posts and walk me through these and why they worked and how others could do something similar.
Sure. This post is called I paid 5 influencers on LinkedIn to promote my SaaS. Here's what $1,250 got me. And it got 160K views, 543 upvotes. In terms of visitors, it got us something like 2,000 visitors. And out of 2,000 visitors, we probably got something like 10 or 15 clients out of these posts. Also, something that's really important when you do a post like this, you have to tell a story and you have to show proof. So here, for example, I've included the influencer posts and all the proof that are available. For the people that are listening here and are thinking, okay, but I haven't launched or I don't have any success to share, then you can also explain what you are doing. So for example, I got rejected from the Y Combinator interview. So we got selected for the interview, but we failed the interview. Well, I said, okay, why not make it a post? And we got more than 179,000 views. We got maybe 15 clients out of this. So you can turn any event happening in your life into a Reddit post.
What Roman is doing here is just amazing. He's generating millions of views on his app just from Reddit. This is an incredible marketing system I haven't really seen anyone do before. And if you love crazy growth strategies and stories like these, then you definitely need to check out The Hustle, which is today's sponsor. The Hustle is a free email that covers awesome business case studies and stories, just like the one you're watching right now. I'm talking wild stuff, like how a guy made millions renting out backyard pools, or why gas station pizza is secretly dominating fast food. I've been reading The Hustle for years. It's an email I read every time it lands into my inbox. It's quick, easy to read, and it always gives me a story to share with my friends. So if you just love discovering new business ideas before everyone else, then definitely check out The Hustle. Just hit the link in the description, subscribe to The Hustle, and you'll get daily stories to keep you in the loop on what's working in business, tech, and startups. Thank you to The Hustle for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to the story. All right, Roman, I want to dive into this Reddit post you have right here, this Y Combinator post. What do you think would be like the top 3 reasons why this post went viral that people watching this can learn from and try to do with their own Reddit posts?
Sure. So first thing would be using AI. So how I write my post is really simple. First, I'm not English native. So what I do is I tell my story to ChatGPT by voice, and then I ask ChatGPT to translate and correct my post. So that's something that works really well because you can dive way deeper into details than if you have to write everything. Second thing why it worked is the initial start. So you need to get as many upvotes as you can in the first 5 to 10 minutes. So what I do to make it work is I have a group of friends where we share each other's Reddit posts. And every time someone shares the post, we all go like, upvote, and comment. And then third thing that's really important is never putting your SaaS directly in the post. You can trigger curiosity by highlighting it. And as I said before, putting some proof, and the people reading this post know that it's real and that we are not telling a fake story.
Okay, so what would be your playbook for starting over right now in 2026 and getting Reddit off the ground as a marketing channel in a way to get your first 10, 100,000 users?
So first, you need a fresh account. You need one account per browser. So for example, I have one account on Chrome, one account on Mozilla, one account on Safari, and that's more than enough to keep it safe. And when you create an account, do not create it with a new email. So if you do the combo new email plus new Reddit account, you will get banned right away. Step 2, once your account is created, you have to add a profile picture, you link your SaaS in the bio, and you activate the secret feature that hides your feed. So when you do Reddit marketing and heavily post on Reddit, some people are going to go to your profile and see that you are always talking about the same SaaS, and they will say, he's advertising way too much. So that's a really useful feature. Step 3, for the first 7 to 14 days, don't even think of doing marketing. You will just post comments, you will upvote, this will warm up your account and get you the first karma. The more karma you have, the stronger your account is. Step 4, once you've done that, after 7 to 14 days, you can start posting. And step 5, Once you reach that stage, you can start doing marketing. So there are still some things to know. Some subreddits don't allow promotion. Like the Y Combinator subreddit, it's almost impossible to post anything. And so it's not worth posting there. Step 6. With every post, you change the angle. Either you can redirect to a YouTube video, to a Twitter post. So you can really get creative. And that's really the magic of Reddit. Step 7. After that, you need at least 10 upvotes in the first 10 minutes. What we've done internally is we have a group of 15 marketers where everyone shares their Reddit post. Everyone upvotes the other post, and then external people are going to like, is going to rank higher and higher and higher. Step 8, you reply to every comment, absolutely every one of them. This is going to give you traction. This is going to show engagement, and the more engagement you have on the post, the more upvote you get, and the higher you are going to rank.
Okay, what I'm curious about is, how do you come up with these ideas for different content, different stories? Are you using AI to come up with these ideas? Are you looking at top posts? How do you find this?
Yeah, so the main source of inspiration is what I do in my daily life as a SaaS marketer. The more things I do, the more stories I can share. Same for Y Combinator. We get rejected, we do a post. And even if you don't have experience, even if you are starting your business and you want your 100 customers, you can still create stories about how your SaaS is going, what problem you are trying to solve. Everyone can get views and get traffic on Reddit.
All right, well, one thing that I hear a lot from people is, I posted on Reddit, I got negative feedback, my entire account got banned. How have you handled this, and how has your experience been with that?
The only way to deal with that, actually there are a few ways, but first one is show proof. So no one can argue with what you are saying. You make 25K MRR, you show that you make it. So that's really easy. And then you block all the people insulting you or being really negative. But it can be really frightening at the beginning, because when you post, you get 15 bad comments saying that you will never make it, what you are doing is wrong. And so you really have to stick with it and believe in what you are doing.
That is great advice. You may not be aware, but I grew Starter Story on Reddit. That's how we got our first 1,000 users, monetized the business. People were so mad that we were sharing these business stories on Starter Story that they created a petition to ban us from Reddit. And it got all these upvotes and all this stuff. At the time, it felt really scary and like everything was going to fall apart. Now, when I look back on that time, it didn't matter at all. So for anyone watching this who is worried about what people are going to say about them on Reddit, none of it matters. Just like Roman said, block these people, continue building your app, sharing your story, and everything will work out and it'll be worth it. But anyways, Roman, we didn't really talk a whole lot about your app and what it does. Could you give us a quick demo of what you built and how it works?
Yeah, sure. So we built Gojiberry to find high intent leads on LinkedIn. So in intent can be many things, can be someone liking specific posts, interacting with competitors, someone who has just fundraised, hired. And so every day our software is going to find the best leads with their signals. So for example, just engage with a competitor. And every day we get the warmest lead on the market. And then we can launch campaigns directly from our software like this. And so this will automate the LinkedIn outreach. So connect with these people, send AI personalized messages, and the results we get in terms of acceptance rate and reply rate are way above industry, just because the leads are great and the messaging is really tailored to every lead.
Thanks for showing that. Looks like a super cool app. I'm curious how you built it and how you run this app. What tools are you using every day to build and grow this app?
So I'm the marketing guy, so I'm going to talk most about marketing tools. So we use Instantly AI, a great tool to do cold email. So that costs about $800 per month to run it because we do very high volume. We use Outrank for SEO. This costs about $99 per month. And we, of course, use Gojiberry AI to do LinkedIn outreach and high intent lead outreach. That's about $99 per month as well. We use Calendly to book calls. So that's about $20. We use Framer for our website to build landing pages. So that's about $49 per month. We use ChatGPT plus Nano Banana to create every post and every graphic design as well. So that's maybe about $40 per month. And then we use also Sales Navigator on some of our accounts for $100 per month.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks for sharing that. Last question that we have that we ask everyone who comes on to Starter Story. What would be your advice to young Roman or anybody who's watching this today that wants to build SaaS?
So that's going to be really simple. It's advertise the way you would love to be advertised to. For example, I love watching entrepreneur stories like Starter Story. So when I hear successful stories, how they made it, that's something that triggers me and I want to learn more. So this is the way I advertise as well.
Cool. Well, thanks for coming on, Roman, sharing how you built this business in 5 months. It's insane. It's a great story. I love Reddit. So thanks for coming on and sharing everything. I think people are going to love this one.
Thank you so much.
Well, Gus, producer of Starter Story, what do you think about that one?
That was pretty awesome. I mean, if you try to figure out like, how do I do anything on Reddit? I feel like it doesn't get any more practical than that. You know, you talk about this sometimes, how you started Starter Story, like with Reddit, and obviously it's evolved and changed, but that is still like a platform that essentially works the same way. He was just talking about how he posted stories and his experience and, you know, subtly linked his product. And it's kind of crazy that still works.
Yeah, I think Reddit's not a platform to get scale. It's not a platform to hit 10,000 MRR, 20,000 MRR, but Reddit is amazing and why it's especially valuable for anybody watching this right now. If your product is not good enough, go post on Reddit. If you're worried that your product is not good enough, go post on Reddit right now and you'll get product feedback from real people. Get your first 10 customers, your first 100 customers, probably not your first 1,000 customers, but that's what Reddit is for. Go post on Reddit right now. Rewatch this video, watch that playbook, and do it over the next month.
Totally. Not that it's easier to post on places like Twitter or Instagram, but with Reddit, you there's like a vibe on there, right? Where you're just like, don't BS me kind of vibe on Reddit, which is probably what someone who's just starting out like really needs, right? I think about myself, like it would scare me to post on there, but it probably is exactly what I need, the exact feedback I need to know whether what I'm doing is good or not.
Yeah. Rip off the Band-Aid. Just go post on there right now. Post anything. See what happens. I remember when I first posted on Reddit, it didn't go viral. It didn't even make the front page. It was like maybe the 5th or the 6th or the 7th post where I got 400 upvotes. That's when I realized I had something with Starter Story, that one piece of content. So rip the Band-Aid off. Worst thing that can happen is it doesn't get any upvotes and no one will ever see it. So if you enjoyed this video and you're ready to build something, you're ready to launch something, you should definitely check out Starter Story Build. It is our platform where you will find an idea, you'll build that idea, and you will ship that idea to real customers. Even something enough to maybe plug it into ChatGPT and come up with your first Reddit post and put the link to your app right there and get your first users. You can start right now by going to the link in the description and starting to build your app right now. All right, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.